Website main page layout structure and names. Let's learn about them. The first screen of a website is called the main page, home screen, or landing page. Pages other than the main page are called subpages. The area at the top of the main page with the logo and menu is called the header. The logo is usually used as a home button. Even when you're on another page, clicking the logo takes you back to the main page. Below the header is the most prominent part of the site, called the hero section. The hero section contains the banner image and text that best showcase the brand identity. After the hero section comes the body section, also called the main section. The body section condenses the main content of the website or highlights the key messages you want to emphasize, often divided into 2 or 3 sections. At the very bottom of the page is the footer. The footer contains information such as company details, terms of use, and a sitemap. And it appears the same on every page. That's it for understanding the structure and names of a website layout.